At FormBoxx, we're excited to help you store documents in a way that greatly speeds your ability to find the appropriate data and documents when you need it. FormBoxx organizes your documents based on 3 principles. Organizing principle number 1 is your own existing folder structures with timestamps on when you upload those documents to FormBoxx. Principle number 2 is the type of document within and across those folders by clustering and tagging similar documents. And principle number 3 is based on the content of those documents via exceptional OCR and indexing capabilities. All 3 principles make FormBoxx an intelligent way to store your documents by making search much quicker and more productive. We'll go through a few of the things you need to do just to get started. First, you need to register. There'll be a few easy things to fill out: full name, your email. If you'd like to choose an industry, that would be great. And then we'll have a password reset. So standard password reset questions. Then you create your account. That's all it takes. Once you're registered, then you can log in. Again, it's just email and password, and you'll log directly in. That's all there is. We'll go through some easy examples using our playground. First thing to do is choose a type of cluster. We'll use invoices, and this gives you a sandbox to play in. Once you go there, you'll notice that you're in the invoice example as identified up top. If this was your account, you'd have it. There are then 5 options to what you can do. You upload files, and that will do in this demo. This demo shows you how to upload using our sandbox. Obviously, you will do the same things in your own account. Uploading files can be launched by 2 different links up on the menu or directly from the home page. That brings you to the Upload Files page, which gives you information about your account. For example, this has about 25 of the 2,000 pages are actually in this account, and we're nowhere near our limit on gigabytes used. There's some other simple instructions that are included. It tells you a little bit about what you're going to do. So currently there's one target folder. It's the 2015-0728. We've done this by date. There are many ways to do that. You can also create a new folder. For example, if we have a new date to put in, we can go in and type that in. And we'll put in today's date. That automatically creates a new folder, which you can upload to. The active folder is shown in red, and you can add files directly to that folder. In addition, you can go back and you can change which folder you're interested in adding files to by just either choosing an existing folder and then selecting that folder from the set of folders that are available. In this case, we'll go back to the 728 folder, or you can actually create a subfolder underneath that red labeled folder. So we're going to add an extra folder underneath the 728. We could call it invoices, but just to make things generic, we'll just call it subfolders. This now places a folder underneath the parent folder of the 728. So now that we've got our subfolder set up and our directory structure basically intact and ready to go, all we have to do is select the documents and files that we want to put into our FormBoxx. All one does is select those files and drag them right into the region for upload. This shows you the set of files that we've added. Now you can go ahead and cancel any of the ones that you decide not to upload, or you can actually start and upload each individual. But at the top, if we press the Start Upload, it automatically uploads all of those files immediately into that single subfolder one. Additionally, it starts the job, and up top on the menu you can see there's a job estimation of 1 minute. Now if you click on that, it'll show a drop down that has a request for email, and at that point you will get an email that when the job is done. So if we actually go directly to the subfolder 1, you can see that no images are available. That's because FormBoxx is actually going through and sorting and sifting all of your documents and doing its clustering. In later videos, we'll show you can do with all that information you've gained through clustering in FormBoxx, as well as all the search and find capabilities that FormBoxx applies to your folders.